Hey girls, it's Jenny with Planner Perfect. In today's video, it is the August planner and journal subscription box reveal. Be back in a minute. Okay girls, welcome back. Before I flip you around, do not fast forward. I'm going to share with you just a little bit about where this box came from and my ideas and why I painted what I painted. I always like to do a little Easter egg in all of my boxes on what could be coming onto the next cover, and you will see that you will be delightfully surprised. For August, sometimes I vacillate. Do I want to prep us all ready for fall? But then I was like, I think I want to soak up summer. So I kind of gave us a little bit of both, as you will see. I think you're going to like it. It's like, you just got those last days of summer. You got to soak it up. And yet there are some delightful little things that have to do with getting ready, like symbols of fall. So without further ado, I'm going to spin you around. Let's go. Okay, here we are. We are going to be opening up the box for the August planner and journal subscription box. I don't have it in all of its protective covering and such, so it'd be easy for the video, but everything does come nicely cellophane wrapped and with a canvas bag. So I'm going to start with the journal and planner. So I'm going to put this over here so you guys don't see it. And here we are. So here's the Easter egg girl. She was on a tip-in and on some of the stickers in last month's box. And to me, she represents the last days of summer, which when I do paint and put in Easter eggs, I'm fully well knowing that it will go into the next month's box. So I already know what month that will be and, what I'm going to be doing. So I just thought she represented well. The back is part of the scene as well that she's looking at. And I love the yellow then as well that, goes with my sunflower, which I think this is my perfect symbol for me saying August, September, this is the theme. It's the lazy, hazy days, last days of summer. You've got sunflowers. And then what I did, this is my script down here. And then on the back, what I wanted done was my daisy in frenzied, for lack of a better word, in different sizes on the back. And I just thought it was gorgeous. This is an A5 size. And I love it, as we know. So there we go. Absolutely, I think gorgeous. I know I can't wait to plan in it. I would never paint anything that I was not ecstatic to paint in. So, and to script my life in. Now here are the stickers. The one things I do not have right now are the tip-ins. So, or not the tip-ins, but I do not have the washi. So that's going to be a surprise for you. But let me just show you the new things that I've painted that I think you're absolutely going to love. I hope you do as much as I do. But look at these chicks. I mean, how cute is this? I mean, seriously, how cute is this? You get 2 of each. Cute. She loves adventure. I do like to pull from older art. You really can't get enough of every piece of artwork, so this is a great way to do that. This is my son's art. And then I just re-quoted it because it's kind of a perfect theme for August. You will never know until you go. How cute is that? She's new. Cute is that? I don't know. I love it. It turned out really, really good. I mean, if I didn't think it was going to turn out good, I never would have put it in production. But She's adorable. And then the Frenzied Daisies, which leads me to my stickers for August. You've got the girls in a 3 set. You've got the sunflowers. You've got the van. Everything that was on a tip-in. You get 2 of these. Then I had them pull each girl separate, which I mean high. I mean, it's too adorable. I know I've had a high request for the mermaid to make an appearance, and I did, and even brought the girl riding the bike, because it's just the last time you're going to see it till next year, see her. I wanted to pull in as much as I could, even the seahorse and the beach and the butterfly, just things that, man, the last, really soaking up the last of the beautiful weather, as in summer, because fall's got some nice weather too. But I just really love how August turned out, you guys. I hope that you are liking what you see. Girls, this is coming to your doors very, very shortly. If you want to be a part of this planner journal subscription box, there are different boxes that you can choose from, either the journal or the planner or both, just an accessory even. But you got to hit by the 10th in order to receive the next month. And hey, thanks for watching. Hope you love the box. Let me know down below. And until next time.